There you go. Alright, y'all. Back with the mukbang, the one I mentioned earlier on my no burp challenge. Oh, it's a fly here. Anyway, so I just uploaded that no burp challenge. And I said that I was about to lead and cook the hot Cheeto chicken. So I got it. And I did some regular too. So I cooked these chicken strips. Right here. Got some hot Cheeto on the top. And then I have some regular ones on the bottom. Let's see, can you see it? And then at the bottom is just full of fries. The whole bottom is fries. Okay. And my napkins and my drink is the rest of my Tahitian treat. My glass. No cocktails today, y'all. Not today. Okay, so today I didn't write any notes because I just start cooking. And then I want my food to be hot, so. Yeah. So I'm going to do my shout outs from my phone. That's what I do. Fries good, it's still hot too. So I got some broke ones. My kids was too full, so I just took theirs. Now this hot Cheeto chicken, we've been on this for a minute. But I'm gonna do it because it's popular. I already know I like it. That's good. That's good. So yeah, I'm just gonna do my shout outs on my phone. Let me eat. This hot Cheeto is good. Whoever thought of this? Shout out. I never would have thought of this. And it's still crunchy like the chips. So my grocery store had chicken breasts already sliced to half. So they was kind of like big, and I just cut them and made strips. They're still kind of big though. See, this was a whole one. That's half of one. That one, I cut them in half. That one. So you know that was pretty big pieces. I cut them in half, and they still was like, that one big and hot. Ooh. And then that one, cut them in half, and got all the potato wedges at the bottom. Yep. Okay. Oh yeah, so my first shout out is, let me go back to the video. I want to make sure I get her name right. Make sure, because there's a couple of different Megs, but this one is Here with Meg. Shout out to you, girl. And I wanted to also, you said you didn't do the no burp challenge, so I'm gonna call you out on this video. Here with Meg. That's your challenge right there for the no burp challenge. You gotta do at least a 1 liter, but everybody be doing 2, and you only gotta do like halfway. So that's Here with Meg. I'm recording on the laptop again, so I'm not gonna be able to type it. I don't know how to do that yet. Not yet. Okay, let me see. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Just like my video. This is so good. And I only ate the hot Cheeto one. I'm gonna try the regular one next. Ain't good and ain't hot too. It's taking me so long to eat it. Mukbangers want their food hot, but can't hardly eat it. It's so hot. I just cooked this. The kids already ate. It's 9. They going to bed. The regular one. So the regular ones I did. Flour, egg, flour again, then fried it. The hot Cheeto was flour, egg, hot Cheeto, then fry. So if y'all want to try the hot Cheeto, it's simple. Real simple. I suggest a smaller like cut of chicken so it don't take so long, because if it takes so long it's going to burn the hot Cheetos. You don't want burnt hot Cheetos. That's why I cut them in half. I was going to do the whole ones, but cut them in half and make them like strips so it won't take so long to cook. It's a little tip. And you can do the party wing cut, like the hot wings. That's good with hot Cheetos too, because it don't take long for them to cook. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to my videos and do some random shout outs. Nothing written down, no notepad. Just some random shout outs. Let's see. What video I'm gonna pick? I'm not gonna watch the video, I'm just gonna go through the comments and do random shout outs. Everybody in the South know, like right around this. It's the ice cream video. It's a Mardi Gras review. Y'all haven't watched that, go back and watch that for me. 199 comments. That's pretty good. For a noob behind. Okay. Positive Queen. Bacon Butterfly. I gave Bacon Butterfly a shout out before. Lovely Natural. These are some channels I want y'all to go look at. If y'all don't know them, go check out their channels. Know Your Own Work. Y'all like her channel. This don't need no ranch, no ketchup, no nothing. That's how you know it's good. Oh, I know a channel I really like. If it fits, it bakes, and the fix is FITZ. I think I gave him a shout out before, but I like that channel. Real Deal Chick. Y'all already know about Texas Made Food. I gave him a shout out before. Like his channel. This one's still hot. Texas Made Food. Okay. I don't want to make this video too long, y'all. I don't want it to be 30 minutes. It's good. I don't know which one better. The hot Cheeto or this one. Some people get more than one shout out, like, because I really like their channel, like I really watch it. Yummy Licious Eating Show from Chicago. Check her channel out, y'all. She is good. She's good. I love her channel. Okay, let me check another video. I'm gonna go my live. When I went live, my first live, I was only supposed to do 30 minutes, y'all. This way, 2 hours, 7 minutes, and 55 seconds. So I want to give a shout out to everybody that was in my live and kept me going for 2 hours, 7 seconds, and 55 minutes. So let me just do this and see who's in here. Mute it. And start from the beginning. Yeah, I'm at 11 minutes, so I'm going to do a few more shout outs. That's what I got left so far. I don't know if y'all can see it. I've been eating them though. It's a big plate. And they big. Even after I ate all that, it's still that left. I got 3 whole ones in this hot Cheeto and then all the fries. Don't worry, leftovers is they good in my house. I eat them. Just watching the time, y'all. I don't got too long. Oh yeah, I wanted to mention that I'm running up some more comments because I don't want to get the same exact shout outs. Even though my supporters, like, I love y'all. I can give the same people shout outs over and over and over and over and over. Because that's the ones that show up to everything. Whether I do a quick video just showing what we eating, or I do a whole mukbang, or I do a 2-hour live. Shout out to my supporters. Eat a piece of this one. And then I'm done. Oh wait, I think I got a little small piece right here. That's all I needed too. 13 minutes already. I said I want to do a 15-minute video. But yeah, shout out to my supporters. It's still warm. So I was gonna say, yeah, comment down below because I help with a lot of watch time. If we connected, go ahead or not, go ahead and click that button for me, that subscribe button. Like, leave a comment. To all my people that's already subscribed, thank y'all. I'm gonna do a couple more shout outs. The 4 fam, it used to be VW Vlogs. I like that channel. Hustle family. I don't know if they watch me, but I watch him. Hustle family. I'm trying to think of people. Oh wow. Somebody I gotta give a shout out to. Yeah. Sorry. Dear Alexa. Got to. Shout out to dear Alexa. I don't know how she do it. She is everywhere, y'all. Dear Alexa. Go check out Dear Alexa, y'all. I like her channel. Excuse me. I don't know if I'm burping from the food or from the no burp challenge, because I'm gonna upload this tomorrow. But I did the no burp challenge earlier, and I went and cooked this stuff, and now I'm having a mukbang for y'all. Shout out to Glam Beauty. Yeah. Shout out to Glam Beauty. I love her. She's big in the networking community. Y'all know what that means. Hey y'all, I think I'm done. Maybe one more piece. Cause these are real good. These are good too. They both good. So yeah, gonna move it back some more. That's what I got left, y'all. Alright. Dom already commented on my no burp challenge, so I know he's seen my challenge. Pretty as a peach. If you try to skip over that video and come to this one, I'm gonna call you out on this one too. So that's Pretty as a Peach, challenging you to the no burp challenge. Yeah, I usually write stuff down, but I ain't write no notes today. Nothing like that. This is just an impromptu. I was going back and forth if I was going to do this or not. I'm like, yeah, I'm going to do it because it look good. It look good. That's like, Jay, let's eat. It look good. Alright. I'm going to turn around. I can't really see, but this is what's left. Probably eat this for lunch tomorrow. It looks so good. So enough for dinner, we probably gonna have something else. I'm 18 minutes. Again, shout out for my 600. I'm on the road to 1K. I'm gonna get there. Keep networking. Y'all keep liking, commenting, so my videos can get out there. That's it. I don't have any other shout outs at this time. Nay and the boys, last but not least. Shout out to Nay and the boys. She out of Louisiana. Gave her a shout out before, but one of my biggest supporters. One last view of the plate. Let me see how close I can get. One last view of the plate. The plate is going. It's on here. It's going. It's going. Next time I come back, it's either going to be, no, I don't want to say because I don't want y'all to hold me to it. I don't know what it's going to be, but I will be back with another video. Today is still Wednesday, March 27th from the No Burp Challenge, same day. But I'm going to upload this tomorrow, which will be Thursday. You'll be seeing it on Thursday, I think. Let me go. I got to go with my daughter. She did an unboxing. I got to go watch her video and then upload hers. And maybe edit this. I don't know. Tried to edit the No Burp Challenge, but I couldn't. It was too hard. So maybe I'll try it again. But I got to upload my daughter's. So I'm out. You guys. Oh yeah, I got to go live again. That's coming. See y'all.